Hello, welcome to the new Audi A8. What we can see here is our new usability concept with the two touch screens. And here we can have the gestures that we already know from a smartphone. So you can zoom in and zoom out. And what you can see here is a navigation map that uses satellite navigation. What's so special about the screen is that when you press the button, you actually get a haptic feedback. So you can try it yourself if you like.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
It's like pressing a button.
Exactly, it feels exactly like pressing a button. It's like a small impulse on the screen. Then, what is a very nice function is the 3D camera around the car. So when you have very nice wheels, you want to protect them, and it's always good to know where a curb is. And with this technology, you know it, and you won't scratch a wheel again.
Okay.
It's very nice. What's also very nice is that we can also talk to the car, and let's try it. Set the temperature to 20 degrees. And now look here what happens.
What can I do for you?
Sorry. Maybe I talked too early. Yeah, sorry.
Set the temperature to 20 degrees.
I'll increase the temperature to 20 degrees.
Okay. So what all can you do with the voice commands?
So you can set a lot of car functions. For example, set the blower. Set the fan to 3.
What temperature should I set for you?
It's basically better if the driver says it, but right now I'm sitting to the
Okay, so
passenger
I'll
side.
say it. Set the blower to 3.
I'll set the blower to level 3.
Okay, why can't you say it from there or somebody say it from the back seat?
Yeah, it's driver oriented. You can also say it, but the microphones are oriented to the driver more.
Okay.
And usually works fine. I've also tried it from passenger seat. That's why I tried it right now. And usually it works very fine. But yeah.
So these are for the vents, right?
Exactly. You can slide it. These are touch sliders, and then see what happens. Then it opens the fan. It's also very nice. You can also see our ambient light.
And you said you can change the ambient light within the car?
Yeah, sure. I show it to you. So we have a menu for that. This is background lighting. For example, if you want it blue, just press this button, it goes to blue. It's very, very nice. Then you also have the possibility to set it individually as you like it. And it also saves preferences.
Okay.
So we have about 4 added functions that the car remembers for you. And then you go to the color slider. And which color do you want? Green one?
Yeah, just any.
So it changes to green. So we also have a user concept. I can show it to you. So go to user, and we can do a profile selection. And don't be prepare yourself. So change the settings, and it will also change the seat and the steering wheel and so on.
Okay.
So it's very nice. And it also changes the color. It can also remember the music that you've listened to, and so on.
So what are the infotainment systems that the car supports? Does it support Apple CarPlay, Google?
Yes, both.
Okay, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay both.
Yes, both. Yes.
Okay.
It's very nice. I can also show you the wireless charging. So you just put your phone there, and then it does a wireless charging. It's also very nice. So now you see it's charging. So
Okay,
let's
so
put it back in again. So now it's okay. It's black, yeah. And then we put it in.
Is it charging? I don't think it's charging.
It's charging now.
Okay.
So you have a view button, and you can change the view how you want to have it. So here it's the large navigation, and you see in the big screen well, the navigation takes a lot of space of the view. You can have it like that, or you can change it to have a little more space and drive or see or display some other information. You can also check the menus and give some information about the car or the telephone and media and so on.
Okay.
It's everything possible as you like it, so you can have it the way you want it. This device is a rear seat remote, and you can set some of the car functions with this device. Yeah, and this is basically intended for the rear passengers. We disabled it on purpose. So we had many people playing around with it and reconfiguring things. So it's better for us to not show it all the time because people are playing around with it.
But what can the console do? What can someone do sitting
for
at the
example,
back?
you can roll down and up the blinds. Yeah, you can also change the temperature of the seats and so on. There's also a massage function. So at the side of your seat, yeah, there are some buttons you can try. Maybe if you want to try it, and there's different massage programs also.